Alright, so my first actual model here that I'm going to have is the Beta Cargo Boeing 707. Here, I actually drew it a long while back, and I heard Gemini Jets actually had a model of it, and I found it. It was pretty nice. And so, here's the model. It's a Boeing 707-320, and it's the part of the 500-piece limited edition sets here. As you can see, it's of course a Boeing 707, matching the image I did here. And so, here. Alright. Here we can see. Here we can see the model, my Boeing 707. This thing. And the nose. The registration here is you can just see here it's the PP-BRG, and for the cargo jet here, Grupo Beta Cargo. This is not a bad, in my opinion, this actually looks pretty good. I mean, I know the real life Beta Cargo 707 has been scrapped, unfortunately, or if it's not scrapped, it's been left to die in a yard, unfortunately. But Gemini just did a pretty nice model here. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, could probably be better. I mean, it's probably pretty. This one's pretty good. Not bad. Well, this is not bad. That's all I'm gonna say. Not bad, especially for one of my first models here. One of my first. If I can get this back in the box it came in. Don't hit my model, please. Yeah. And this aircraft here is the same aircraft in this image as I took the same. I was able to find the aircraft with the exact same registration. It's absolutely amazing. Which, yeah, Beta Cargo, Gemini Jets. This is the first of it. It's unfortunate that they've left service in 2013, but well, at least there's now a great model of it. Well, and that was this review of the Boeing 707 from Gemini Jets for Beta Cargo, part of the 500-piece limited edition. Goodbye.